It's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about how can you manifest wealth or abundance quickly, and what is the number one secret you absolutely need to know and master if you want to attract abundance into your life. Stick around. Coming up. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, and let's talk about today's topic, which I absolutely love because this is my favorite one, and therefore I actually even wrote and published a book on this, which is called Love is the Law, and it's talking about self-love. The number one secret to manifest abundance in your life, more money in your life, wealth in your life and in your business is to love yourself. Now this goes deeper, because when I say this to my clients, they usually don't really understand what do I mean by that. How do I love myself? And the way I explain it is that not only if you want to manifest abundance, you need to open up to it, but you have to vibe with it. So open up to it and you have to vibe with it. So it goes obviously deeper. In order for you to be able to quantum leap your business or your income, we need to tap into different frequency. We cannot operate from the frequency at which you operate right now, because your current frequency is different and probably it's not what you want to experience, and therefore you are even watching this video, right? So for us to take you to the next level, we need to change your frequency. And that is all about the feelings you're feeling, it's all about emotions, and it's all about thoughts that you are thinking. In fact, it starts with thinking, then it goes to feeling, and then it goes to manifesting the frequency, and the frequency will take care of it. So for practically speaking, for us to remove the limiting beliefs, we need to do the work, do the inner work, do the work that I'm actually talking about in my book. There are practical exercises and tools that you can use, how you actually remove the limiting beliefs, how you actually manifest more wealth and abundance through the frequency. But also we need to take practical action, right? It's not enough just meditate and visualize. It starts with meditation and visualization, but then you have to take that aligned action. But when you really break it down, it comes down to self-love. Self-love is the key of everything, is the key of attracting love, is the key of attracting money, is the key of attracting perfect relationships, is the key of attracting abundance, and so on. So it starts with loving who you are. As you love who you are open up your heart, you're changing the frequency. As you love who you are allowing the abundance come to you. And especially if you're someone who is very analytical and you are pretty much left brain, it's very hard to understand that suddenly, you just have to open up to certain frequency and allow abundance to come to you. And I get it. I totally get it. Like, I'm also pretty analytical, and I'm using my left brain a lot. But the magic will never happen when you are trying to figure out how. The magic will happen when you actually open up, you change the frequency by actually assuming the reality that you want to experience, which is actually loving who you are. When you love who you are, you let the abundance come to you. In other words, if you're a business owner, if you're a service provider, you charge for what you give. You charge for the value you provide. You don't have any blockages around money. You don't have any blockages to even ask for the premium. You don't have any blockages around receiving the best clients and serving them at the highest level. You don't have any blockages around delegating and hiring people that will help you and support you. You don't have any blockages around knowing that you deserve to make certain amount of money, whatever the number is for you. And if you do have the blockages, you know that you have to remove them. And so this is what I do with clients. We are removing these blockages one by one. We are clearing the frequency, and then we are actually taking practical steps, because that is the the second half of the work. Like, you gotta do both. You can't just do the frequency. You actually need to do the practical work as well and take the action so we can manifest it from the invisible into visible. But I tell you what, you can have the best strategy. You can have the best marketing team. You can even have pretty good marketing budget. You will not actually be able to quantum leap, and you will not be able to attract this abundance if you have these blockages. The reason is that these blockages, in other words, the patterns that are in your field, and they're in a 5D as well, will not allow you to attract it, because it's the stored energy there that is going to create a different reality for you. And for you to change that, again, it comes down to that inner work, to the frequency work. But if I really want to sum it up, like if I just give you one word, it starts with self-love. It starts with loving who you are, honoring who you are, because you are divine, you are a child of God, you are actually God within you, and you connected to everything and everyone, and you are extremely powerful, and you can create anything you want. And once you understand that you do actually have this power, and that you are worthy of receiving the best life, that you are worthy of receiving abundance, because you're serving at the highest level, that's when the abundance starts flowing. Something else I also want to say is that sometimes we are being tested. Sometimes things are not flowing the way you want. But it is because you are being prepared. You're being tested. And when I say tested, it means that you still have some work to do. And it's usually you who is doing it to you. There is no outside force doing it for you. It's you who is doing it to you. So you prepare yourself for the next level, right? And some people have hard time with that. Some people just get it right away. It doesn't really matter. It's your journey. It's your individual journey that is serving you and your purpose. As long as you do the work, you are able to get there. But it starts with self-love. Everything starts with self-love. So if you really want to go to the next level, I really want to encourage you to tap into your heart and ask yourself, what do I really want? What kind of life I want to manifest? What do I want to create? What kind of income I want to create? Who do I want to serve? Why do I want to serve these people? What kind of impact I want to make? And start coming from that place of making that impact, because that impact is really the energy. If you come from a place that you need something, that you want something, this is the place of scarcity. This is not the place of abundance. But when you come from the place of actually serving, making impact, you visualize that you are making the impact. You're seeing the bigger picture, how you are shifting the reality of other people, how you are changing the world. That is the frequency that will actually do it for you. And that is the frequency when you are stepping outside of that little me and you're becoming one with the bigger universe. And that's when you start co-creating with the universe. And that's when you start making the waves within the quantum field that will do it for you. And that is how you're going to start attracting people who need you, who want you because of who you are and because of your frequency. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. And for those who are ready to take their business to the next level, or if you even want to turn your passion into profit, I want to invite you to join my free webinar training. The link is going to be below this video. And thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.